So after that, just mark that step complete. Okay, and move to the next section. Controlling a relay using ESP32 with hardware timer. Okay. So for that, I think previously we have done one program that is I think there would be a this one timer versus delay LED blink, right? LED blink without blocking the CPU. So previously we have blinked that LED that by using the time, right? In that case we added one counter to the timer, and we was blinking that LED at a configured time. In the same manner, we will again try with the same connection, right? But in this time we will add one relay here, right? On the GPIO pin 25 or maybe 26, right? You can connect the relay, and the connection is very simple. Connect the ground of the relay module to a ground of ESP32, VCC of the relay module to the 3.3, not 5 volt. This time just connect 3.3, right? VCC should be connected to the 3.3 volt of the ESP32, and input pin you can connect I think not input, as the output you can connect yeah, as a 25 pin, right? And then we'll flash the program. The timer concept would be the mostly same, that we will trigger the relay after some milliseconds.
Pawan, I am not able to complete that module. It is showing it is blocked.
Sorry, which was?
That module, digital input debouncing module, I am not able to
Okay,
complete it.
can you brief me the issue that you are facing?
Yeah, I will share the picture in the group.
Yeah, please share the picture.
It's showing that like we cannot click on the complete step option. It's saying you have been blocked from clicking complete
Somehow
step.
it is blocked. I
So
shared the picture from one. See,
okay, please share that.
yeah,
I hope connection would be the same as I described. Okay, digital motivation. Okay, yes, that means the code side. The program is over. You can still view your steps. Mm, okay, no worries. I think there will be issue from the side. So you need code, right?
yeah.
Okay, can I upload it
But
on WhatsApp?
I was not able to let. I can't find the button to complete the module.
Sorry. Okay. But have you got the code, or have you tried that? Like completed the project?
Yeah.
Okay, no
I've
worries,
done
no
it,
worries.
but
Then okay,
in module I have to complete it, right?
no worries for that. No worries. I think for that I will try to do something. There maybe you can either refresh or something. I
Yeah, I've
think
done it,
it is going to
refreshing and
show from
logged
my
in,
side.
logged out, but it was still there.
Okay. No worries. You can leave it. It doesn't know if you are facing any issue by the completion. No worries. You can leave it as it.